Keef courage.
Yeah.
Box rocker.
Illuminati. Okay. Let's see. We'll check it out. Let me know.
Well, buddy.
Hey, yo, I take you on the verbal inversion, a full immersion, independent, urgent scripts with a purpose. Mixed like a detergent, flip like we reversed it. The shit hits like 6 kickers in the back of an excursion. Rehearsing what I'm about to say, so I say it like I'm hurt. But dude, we clowning, big shoes laughing when we emerging. Stupid, dumb, I'm for certain. Brain is numb in this version, programmed to slow jams, give no damns and no concerning. We're the fiercest, we kill beasts, permanently implant the name Keef up in your grill piece. But really ask me and it's still peace, and it's on to the next conflict. You can be the problem or the prophet, and that's real G.
We fighting through, trying to shake some fools. Robbing with a hood up, snake in your boots. Fates in the ruse, your vacant face in the news.
Salty as shit.
Cause we taking your loot.
True, y'all know me. J-E-double-S-E. Prince of Thieving on the weekend with the jefe. Red Day, bonita me ve. Como estás, lady? Yo soy muy guapo, baby. Lately, I've been meaning to vacate. Suspect in the sunset, get away. We aim straight, we get to stringing, and we bringing the A-game. These desperados, our ethos is all gatos, be crazy.
It's time
Wait.
to make
Yeah.
my move. It's time to make my move. It's time to make my move.
Right in your grill piece.
Yeah, now the next time.
And you know it's 2017 and the round of Keef courage.
Yeah, the next time. You'll think.
Woo, 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 woo.